chicken. No, 24 to 26 hours of laying eggs.
Hiding whatever it is.
He's so scary. Look at his neck.
Come here.
Wait, maybe we should go over there and feed them. This is their poop area. That's their poop area. That one's dead. Let me feed him.
Good job, Emmeline.
He was deceiving.
Good job, Landon.
That's too close to my mommy.
Okay. Is it fun? Bigger, bigger. Yeah, there you go.
This is awesome.
She is.
I didn't want to you.
There you go.
This is the last ride, okay, buddy?
Was it fun? Whoa! Ooh.
Nothing's gonna scare me on this interview.
Nothing's gonna scare you?
Nothing.
Are you gonna be scared?
Who dares trespass here? This place is cursed. Scream. So what do I gotta do? Give all you fools a good swift kick in the patoot? Let's see.
I remember one of these things like shake his face.
Oh, this part is awesome.
Okay, this is the end.
Whoa.
These are like monster truck ones.
Yep. These are like ones that stupid dad shouldn't be on.
What? What do you mean stupid? This thing's all worn out.
And I'm going down.
Look at these monster trucks. I think this one's monster. Woo!
Hey, there's a piece of food.
Oh yeah.
Look, right here. Let's feed him. Up here.
Hi, Jacob Sheep. Do you like that? Okay.
Alright.
Sit on there.
Ew, gross.
You want more? You want more?
Here, get him up here.
There you go.
Look. What does that mean? Does that mean give me more? Ooh.
Hey, look through the window. Look and smile.
You having a fun day at Begg's?
Sure am.
All right. So close.
There's a lot just on the ground here. You want more? What do you want? There's some on the ground.
Look at her.
Probably not.
Cool.
Keep going, Sam. Keep going. Hey. Go, Aubrey, go, 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 go. Jump, Aubrey. Hey, watch their shoes because they have to put them out.
Okay, let's go do it. Hi, Mom.
Like,
Let's race! Well, it's racing time. Let's go!
You're really rocking. Can you put one hand in the air? Perfect. And I'm getting sick watching you. Oh, look at it. There he goes. Say yeehaw!
You like your paper one?
He's really got it going.
First time in the very last.
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna get a bowl like this, kind of, but it's gonna have holes in it, and we're gonna put this bag and pour everything in it. We're gonna put it in this big watery thing, and we're gonna shake it. Like that. It's got some in there. Now, it's gotta
Shake it around.
put it in here, and we gotta shake it.
Everything in there?
Okay. Now lift it up.
Ooh.
Ooh, look at that. I see it too.
We got 2 teeth. Let's take them out. And then we got this weird rocks. Whoa, is that cool? Take them out.
What you got? Oh, hold on.
Okay.
Ooh, look at our prize.
Okay, these are mine. Spider, bye-bye.
Ooh, there's some stuff.
I got a flicky one.
yeah.
A flicky one is a purple one. I got purple. I got a purple one. Like a flicky one. There.
Okay.
Now we'll
Step it in.
I got a ducky. There we go. Now let's see what I got. I got these and
Look right there. That's a piece of coral.
I don't see it.
Right there, that little brown one.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness. Look at all of it in there.
Holy moly.
I didn't even pour that much.
Okay, are you excited?
Time.
There we go. Here's some fun. Now we're talking.
All right, let's see what happens.
Let's see what we get. I think this one's gonna be lucky. You think it's lucky?
Yes,
I think it's
definitely.
lucky. Like and subscribe if I get a lot.
All right. Oh man, look at that. Wow. That
Wow.
looks like petrified wood.
We got a little clamshell here also.
Yeah. All right, let's see what Emmy's got. Whoa. You like it, Emmy?
Let's get a nice step out.
Wow. I bet your hands are cold.
Here, let me cold for my drink. This is forever to get down.
Yeah. All right, pour more of your stuff in there.
Okay, we just gotta get a few more things out. We just gotta get these
Push
out.
it. Oh, look at that.
Got everything out.
Okay, now pour some more sand in. Oh, I heard it.
This might be the last bit.
Oh, put it in.
This might be the last one.
See what we get.
All right, last one.
Dump it all in there.
Did you get a lot, Landon?
We got some good stuff.
All right.
Alright, let's see what the last one is.
What do you got, Emmy?
Wow, what is it? Look at those. Whoa.
Wow.
All right.
You just gotta
Look
get
at your
these
score,
ones.
man.
Yeah, I might be able to beat them one. I don't think she has this cool stuff. It's hard to get this. Look how small this teeth is. It's gonna be stuck in there.
Is it?
Look how small
Wow.
this is.
You like Begg's Family Farm?
Yeah, because you get the bag for anything.
Wow. What is it?
That's her favorite.
Hard to get this stuff out. It is hard to get these fossils and everything out.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready for my last one. My last dump. Honestly, I don't think there's anything that's even going to be in there.
Yep, not a lot.
Let's see.
A little bit.
A little bit. Oh my gosh, this one's stuck.
Can you put it in the water again for a second?
See?
Like a picture?
Hold up your favorite drink.
My favorite drink?
Yep. What's your favorite soda?
Dr. Pepper.
That's right. Are you ready? You gotta go that way.
Either way.
You really want to do the maze? Look at this. No part of the cow is wasted here at Begg's Family Farm. It's been 4 days since we entered the maze. Put your head in there.
Can we take that way?
Take a picture first.
Look, this is an ancient monument. You have to put your head in there.
Come on, guys.
Okay.
One time.
I can't believe.
This will be the picture we turn into the police when we say we can't find you in the corn maze.
Okay, done, Landon. I'm like,
Okay.
I only have like 1% here, guys. Go for it. 5 times, guys.
At least we'll have corn to eat.